opposite to retention is turnover. Yeah? Turnover means could be voluntarily and could be involuntarily. Yeah, involuntarily means because the employees do not perform well, because the employees uh, disobedience of act and so on. So we give dismissal to these employees, and we consider this, categorize this as involuntary separation or involuntary termination. So this is one form of turnover. The other form is voluntary, in which employees voluntarily want to resign because they have better offer, or maybe because they don't feel belong to the organization anymore and they want to look for other jobs in other places, even though they don't have the next employers to join, but because they feel dissatisfied with the current organization, so they voluntarily quit from the organization. So for this voluntary turnover, some of the variables, some of the reasons, some of the factors are because of the pay. Maybe the pay the thing do not commensurate with their qualification or their experiences after working for a while, still receiving the same salaries, for example. So they feel dissatisfied and they quit. There are not many top position for them to go for, in which the promotional opportunities, lack of promotional opportunities, so they want to move out. And maybe they feel burdened with tasks given. Work-life balance is not stable, is not ensured, so they want to move to other places. Career development, healthcare benefits, and so on. Yeah. So these are the two types of turnover: involuntary and voluntary. So in order to avoid this turnover, please remember that when we have employees leaving our organization, actually we are losing a lot of money. Yeah? We are losing a lot of money because throughout their services, we have been paying them with salaries, we have been paying them with the healthcare benefits and other things, etc. And we even pay for their trainings. So losing an employees is actually a losing to the organization, yeah, unless they are being involuntary turnover lah, because of their attitude and so on. Okay, so how actually we do this retention? Yeah, so it is written here that the best retention strategy should start from the minute you employed a particular employee. Yeah, in which only once you found the good fit, remember the previous slide, good fit, periodic trainings, and then career appraisal. Yeah, we should do that in first place. That is how actually that is actually the right strategy. Yeah, in order to avoid the turnover, especially the voluntary turnover.